How to get Temu coupon code for all customers. First of all, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure to log in to your account. Now, on the home page, look for the Earn Credits and Free Gifts section. Once you tap on that, you can find various discount codes available for all customers, including new and existing users. If you open it, you can see that I got a 600 discount coupon on a 20,000 order. So tap on Use it to shop and you will get the recommended items. Explore and select one that you like and add it to the cart to proceed with your order. Once the item is selected, open the cart on the screen. Here, if you open the checkout page, you can find the discount applied to the selected item. Finally, proceed to check out to complete your order. Also, you can find coupon codes by visiting Temu's official social media pages, as they often share discount codes and promotional offers. And that's it. These are the ways you can get Temu coupon codes for all customers. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.